Jess, a photographer, wakes up to the soft morning light, stretching her arms wide before getting out of bed. Still in her pajamas, she makes a cup of tea while scribbling down notes for that evening's family photo shoot, planning poses and lighting. After finishing her tea, she packs her camera gear, her trusty 24 to 70mm lens, extra batteries and essentials, before slipping into her black polo embroidered with JC Photography Mallorca. Grabbing her bus pass, she slings her camera over her shoulder and heads out the door. At the bus stop, she reviews her notes, mentally refining her shoot. As the bus moves through the Majorcan landscape, she gazes out the window, envisioning each perfect shot. Arriving at the beach during golden hour, Jess greets the family with a warm smile, guiding them toward the water. As the sun bathes the shore in golden light, she directs them through a mix of natural and posed shots, capturing their laughter and joy. After sharing a few previews, they exchange thanks and part ways. Back home, she sits at her laptop, fine-tuning each image, adjusting tones and details. As the final shot comes to life, a satisfied smile spreads across her face. Another precious moment beautifully preserved.